open up a book with our stories. Maybe we could reminisce later. Wrote down every detail that I could recall. Put them all down on paper. But I'm running out of room. This is over too soon, and I don't know what else I can do. I'm on the last page now, but it don't feel like the end. It's a cliff